AI resume builder applications for Android are innovative tools that leverage artificial intelligence to help users craft professional and impactful resumes tailored to their job aspirations. These apps typically feature a variety of pre-designed templates, allowing users to select a style that best represents their personal brand. Additionally, they offer guided content suggestions, helping users articulate their skills and experiences effectively. The AI algorithms analyze current industry trends and successful resume formats, providing personalized recommendations that enable users to customize their resumes for specific job applications. This adaptability enhances their chances of capturing the attention of potential employers. Furthermore, many of these applications include valuable features like resume optimization tips, spell checking, and the ability to export resumes in different formats, including PDF and Word. Moreover, some AI resume builders also offer additional resources, such as interview tips and job search strategies, making them comprehensive tools for job seekers. Overall, these applications simplify the resume creation process, empower users to present their qualifications compellingly, and ultimately increase their chances of securing desired job opportunities.